Hi guys. Hello. So I'm going to be going for a beach party. I'm so excited. Like I had this week that I can't even talk about. It was a lot. At some point I was overwhelmed. Story for another day, but yeah, this is my first beach party, so I'm excited. And some of my friends they're going to be going for missions trip to either Peru, Mexico, and some part of the I can't remember the place, but yeah, they are going to. I'm sure of the Peru and the Mexico, and today is like the last time I'm seeing them. Some of them are going to, like the last time I'm seeing them for this summer. Some of them are going to be going for a month. Some are going for 2 months. So yeah, so it's exciting to actually spend that time with them. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. The beach time, it's gonna be nice. So I hope you come along with me to enjoy this experience. Guys, isn't this beautiful? Like, oh my god, this is amazing.
Oh, the lighter fluid. There you go. We can edit that out. Are you ready for the fire yet?
Yeah.
It's on fire now. Skip step 3 and 4 and go straight to the other side.
No, I'll pull it off the top of the tree. Do you have your little sticks ready?
Yeah, they're at your right.
This?
Yes.
Yeah, we're about to pile it on there. I'm gonna get this going and ready.
I'll supervise.
It's like voodoo. That's exactly what we do.
Yes, there it is. All right, do it. Still doing something. It's on this side. Yes.
TP.
You gotta get it hot enough. Yeah, I'll blow.
You fan it.
Oxygen.
Whoa!
That's good. That's hard. More sticks. Go like this.
Guys, don't you just love sunset? Like, oh my god. And it's so lovely to like just sit in person. It's amazing. Hello everyone. How you doing? So today I'm going to be going to the international guest house. It's like a very big house where like they have events for international students. We go there, we play games. It's like it's not only international students and Americans. So we go, we eat dinner, we play games. So they normally have this event like every 2 weeks, usually every other Friday, but today Saturday, since it's summer, they are having it today. So yeah, come along with me. It's going to be a nice time. Like, I can't wait. We're going to see a lot of people. We're going to have barbecue, and yeah, it's going to be fun. So I can't wait. And guys, can you see the view? Like, my view every morning, it's awesome. There's a pool right there, and that's my favorite view in the night. Like, like I think it lights up at night, and it's so sweet, and I just like the natural view. Yeah, so come with me. I hope we're going to have a nice time, and yeah, I can't wait for the barbecue. If you know me, I love barbecues. We just got this.
You can't sit underneath the tree. They like to hang out right now.
We just got this.
Summer barbecue hangout. It's a bouquet. Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Then we're doing some fishing.
Camila, come say hi. Camila, say hi. She's keeping watch about on the fish.
I'll put it there in the table there, where we're gonna eat it.
Gonna catch fish.
Okay, you guys bouquet fishing? Let's see what she's gonna catch. Because I want to eat some grilled fish.
Sometimes as soon as it gets to water.
You'll cook it.
Ah.
Come and eat.
I don't have no wahala. I was like,
Oh, I need to eat pork. Man, I totally forgot about my daughter.
how long?
Yes.
Doesn't take long.
Before you get fish? Yeah. I've not seen anybody catch any fish.
¿Hace cuánto que está ahí
Ah, she caught one! Oh my! Wow!
Hi, say hi.
Hey.
Are you catching fish? Yeah. Nikki, say hi.
We are going to figure out.
Guys, I don't know what's going on today. Like, the fish isn't, like, they're eating my bread and they are not coming at all. It's so annoying. It's so annoying. God. Just eat my bread and let me catch you. Why? I know.
Oh, it's get cold. It tastes better when it's boiled, but it doesn't matter.
Oh my
Let me
god,
put
this
it.
is so good.
It's vegetable. Yeah, I made it with vegetables, so yeah, vegetarian.
What do we eat next? That's good.
Thank you, Father, for loving us and
It's time to eat. So this is my plate. Doubled egg, chicken, and pasta. Vicky, what do you think about the food?
I'm eating chicken and pasta and pecans.
Nice. Don't know what you have to say about it.
Having a good time.
Oh, really? You try all the time.
So this is what it is to be a good fisherman.
Good
fisherwoman.
Yeah.
Yay!
Hi, Tonya.
Hi.
What are you doing?
So I'm making the bait. So we use like stale bread. So stale, is it stale? What's the name? Is it stale peas?
Okay.
Like those flat bread or living bread. So yeah. Then you tighten it on the hook.
Gotcha. And then?
I like this.
Oh, wow. I hope you have a fish.
Yes, and we wait for the fish.
Okay. Let's see.
Patiently wait for it. Oh my god, I seen it. I
Oh, wow. Come on, come on.
no.
What was that?
It ate my bread and ran
It
away.
went.
Like,
And I hope it's a fish. It's a fish. Woo, Tanya!
small.
It's fine.
What did you snap it?
Yay! You got one. That was an amazing task. I'm proud of you.
My first fish.
Yo.
Did it?
That's a fun.
The walk of shame. So guys, this is the trail. I really like coming here because it's it's very peaceful and it's like a place I can just think, talk out loud to myself and hear my thoughts. Probably that. And it's also beautiful. It's about, I think, 3 to 6 miles. So yeah, let me be honest, I always go to I've never gone to the end. I always stop at like 2 miles, or I think so. That's my but it's long, like 2 miles to go, 2 miles to come. That's 4 miles, so I'm trying, you know. But it's so beautiful. especially during the mornings and in the late evenings. Like, you normally see people walking with their pets, and it's so cute. Hi guys, how are you doing? Yeah, so I'm walking on the trails, and it's just like a very beautiful scenery that I love walking on. Like, it's so beautiful. I always have my water handy. Special thanks to Samantha for this. I love the bottle she gave me. Yeah, so guys, I think this is the end of my vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and guys, support your girl. Support your girl. Let me know what content you want to see. What do you want me to vlog on? Just let me know. I'm your girl for that. Just let me know what you want to see. Don't forget to comment. Like, guys, you need to help your girl. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.